Hello everybody, it's me again Alexi and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video guys, we will discuss the kinds of qualitative research and I'm so excited to teach you about this lesson. Alright, so let's start. The first one is descriptive research. Now if you see descriptive research, this is concerned with describing the nature, the characteristics, or the components of the populations or phenomenon. Alright, so if we say descriptive from the word describe, you're just describing the nature. What kind of nature? Is it bad? Is it good? What kind of characteristics? Right? So that is describing research. Next is the correlation research. If we say correlation from the word correlate, it's either. That is either. Alright? Between or among or between. This is a systematic investigation of the nature or relationships or association between and among variables. In other words, you're going to choose in between. Alright? That is the correlation research. The third one is the evaluation research. Now, if we say evaluation research, this kind of research aims to assess the effect, the outcomes of practices, policies, or programs. Now, in this kind of evaluation research, you're going to evaluate. Maganda ba yung tinatawag natin na practice? Maganda ba yung sinasabi nila policy? Or maganda ba yung program na ginamit nila? So, those are the example of evaluation research. Up next is the survey research. Used to gather information from groups of people by selecting and studying the samples chosen from the populations. Now, if we say survey research, it may be done in various ways. It could be face-to-face, it could be phone call, it could be send an email. So that is a survey. You are just getting the information coming from, of course, chosen participants or chosen population. And the fifth one is the causal comparative research. Now, if you say causal comparative research, it is known as ex post facto. In other words, in English, it means that after the fact. This is after the survey. That's why this is the fifth one. The survey is the fourth one. Meaning, after your survey, you're going to collect the data, and this is what we mean by the causal comparative research. You're going to compare the collected data. You're going to compare the collected information coming, of course, from the population or from the respondents of your research. And, of course, the last one is the experimental research. Now, if we say experimental research, this research utilizes the scientific method to test the cause and effect relationships under conditions controlled by the researchers. In other words, guys, if we say experimental research, this is controlled by the researchers. Alright, so that's it for now. Ulitin lang natin, no? Kinds of qualitative research, we have 6. The first one is the descriptive research, correlation research, evaluation research, the survey research, the causal comparative research, and the last one is the experimental research. So, again, thank you for watching, and I hope you learn and enjoy watching this video. I'll see you for the next video. Bye, everybody.